Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD for 2nd March 2021, Tuesday only. So this video is for today, Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so let's jump to the screen. So we can see that market was in uptrend. Okay, market was following the 50 moving average. It was taking support, going up, support, going up. It was going beautifully. Okay, but here there was a huge sell-off and market broke the 50 moving average and ultimately it came down. And right now it is trading at 1.3901. So there is a support available at 1.3, this 1.3841, this level there is a support. Okay, and right now market is almost above the support. Okay, so you just need to check, or you would need to wait for market to test this support. Okay, or if in case market goes up from here and there is a chance that market will hit the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average was acting as support. Okay, it was a dynamic support for the market, and right now the same 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can see that market tried to go up, but 50 got resistance from the 50 MA, and after that it came down again. So again market may go up, and after facing some resistance from the 50 MA it may come down. Okay. In this case I'll tell you to just avoid the market as of now. Just see if market coming down to this level 1.3845 level. If market bounces off from this level, then also I'll tell you to stay away from the market. Okay, do not go ahead and buy right away. There are plenty of currency pairs available where you can make money. Okay, you don't need to um, toss your money, hard-earned money on a chart like this. Okay. If market bounces from this level, then you just keep your eyes. Okay, you can keep your eyes. If you see that okay, market is bouncing off pretty well, there is good buying pressure, bulls have joined the party again, then you can go ahead and take a small risk. Okay, if market bounces off pretty well from this support. Okay, otherwise your ideal buying position will be above this level only, 1.3991. This is your ideal buying position. Okay, but if market bounces from here and if you see some good buying pressure, then you can also buy above this. In case market fails to uh, take support at this level, then there's the next small support available at this zone, 1.37763, this. Okay. So if you want to make if you have uh, GBP USD in your portfolio right now, then I'll tell you that okay, just if you have already sold it, then just wait and watch. And if you're planning to take a fresh position, then I'll tell you that just stay away from GBP USD for today, okay, or for a couple of hours, because right now the chart is not clear. It is important to make money from the market. Okay. So there are plenty of pairs available from where you can make money. This this level should provide some support to the market. In case this level provides support, then you can go ahead and buy if it is being supported by the volume. Otherwise there is buying position above this only, safe buy position. So again I'm telling you, it is important, or it is first and foremost duty of a trader is to protect his capital. It is important to protect the capital so that you can earn money. Without capital you cannot earn money. So do not compromise with the discipline, because if market bounces from here also, the volume is important, because you cannot ignore the fact that uh, market when market fell from this high, the pressure was huge. Okay. So if possible, try to stay away from GBP USD for today. Don't mind this honest analysis. Okay, I'm just doing this honestly. I do not want you to lose your hard-earned money. Okay, so this is the simple analysis of GBP USD for 2nd March 2021 Tuesday. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much, and if you've liked the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll be coming tomorrow again. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.